Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now I am making another new videos to practice speaking because I am very passionate to improve my English fluency. So that's why every kind of day, every single day I am making videos because it is very great way to improve our fluency by making videos. Lots of students I saw that they are also making videos to improve their fluency. I also every day try it. And last couple of days I didn't talk about some topic because right now I am in my village. That's why I am showing you my village natural beauties. Okay, and I have today I was supposed to go to the another new place like called Alexander. Okay, so but I didn't go before. Inshallah I will go later. So right now I will talk about something. It is how important practicing speaking regularly. Regularity maintained is very important because whatever you want to learn, you have to be careful to maintain the regularity. Because right now, if you be passionate to learn English, you have to be regularly. You have to maintain regularity because every single day you have to try to make videos about some topic because you can start with easy topic like your daily routine, your goal, your family. You can talk about this type of topics in front of camera. You can make videos at least 4 minutes because after 30 days, if you continue for 30 days, after 30 days you can see that what you are, how improved you do. So every single day you have to try it. And also you can try to go outside to make videos, and you can try make videos in front of public place because some students and also me, I didn't want to talk in front of someone, but I also right now same thing. And right now I am talking alone, in there are not any kind of people around me. So that's why I have to improve more to talk to few people because I want to make my skills to talk in front of camera, in front of people, lots of people. So you can also do it every day. Practice makes a man progress. So whatever you want to learn, you have to be passionate person, you have to be dedicated. So if you want to be a businessman, firstly you have to learn how to make skill in businessman and how to control the business. Okay, then you will be able to be success in business. So it is like it is also same thing in English speaking. You have to watch and you have to practice more with your friends. Okay, few minutes ago before making videos, some younger boys was with me because they wanted to come in front of me, in front of my camera, but I didn't recognize them to come. Okay, but I give him some advice to improve their speaking. Okay, so I'm also able to try it. Okay, this is my nephew. Okay, he's a very passionate to come in with me, so that's why I taken him in front of my camera. Every day I practicing. Okay, so you have to practice regularly to be a fluent speaker. Okay, do you want to learn English? Okay, he want to learn English every day, so you have to learn properly. Okay, so guys, if you like the videos, don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, and follow my Facebook page. Okay, till then I will come again in front of you with another new videos.